Well, Bubba, cheers, Bubba. Cheers, Bubba. From Japan back to Singapore.
Cheers.
Oh, Philippines, Japan, then Singapore.
Yeah. Cheers to our
Cheers,
trip.
my love. Eh? I mean, good. She's first time in Japan.
Yeah, but we're not anymore in Japan. We're here in Singapore.
We're in Singapore. Yeah. Yeah. 7 still up. Yeah, Mama, still up. Is it?
Yeah.
This one?
You can go there.
This one's refillable, is it? No, this one's refillable, not reckon. Yeah. A picture? Oh, wants a picture? Oh dear, that's all the food. So this keep us down for a while, I think. Got chicken, salmon, and then the cutlery's here. Some cutlery here. There you go. So we're going to check out this, IKEA and have a look and see what the displays are very different here. No, just got to get this. Time for dessert, Bubba. What is it, caramel? Okay, so it's a Swedish restaurant we're now leaving. And what is it? Eh?
Towel.
Towel? Towel. Little guy here. Let's go to the furniture section, this one. Walk off your lunch, dear. Walk off the lunch. So, there. Yeah. Lunchroom. It's like this is the dining. It's a kitchen there. Washing. Hey dear, this house should be set up there.
Nice.
See? The washing area. You like washing? Like. Hey, is it organised? Is it organised?
Yeah, you need to put something
on the top
on
there.
the top so that
That's a good idea. Yeah, that is good idea. So you got more room.
Yeah, you have more room.
More room. Oh, that's very spacious, and that's a very good idea. Yeah. Yeah, in the laundry area. And here's all Rex.
Yeah. I think.
And then the ironing board. Hey? Woman's work is never done, is it? So
This one. Nice.
this little,
I like dirt. I like the toilet. Just cute. And then you go inside here.
it would say.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's good already. White. I think white and green is their theme. White and green. Nice, right?
Yeah.
Nice architecture.
I like the architecture here.
Nice architecture, right?
Oh, yeah.
White.
Yeah.
White. And then with the Baba?
Yeah.
All white, and then
Yeah. All white.
just the curtain is gray.
Yeah.
It's brown. And then with the topper of green. Wait, let me pick that.
I'm just gonna get a picture. Get a picture. Yeah. Just put any little chairs you stick on the side of the wall, and you can put your stuff on there, hanging stuff.
Blackish.
Darkish red.
I like more the light one.
You like the light one? Yeah, I guess so. Sort of dark green makes the room look smaller. Dark green.
The one nice for the lunch room.
Yeah. Oh, red.
Yeah.
Lounge room. Lounge room. Bubba calls it lunch room. Lounge room, Bubba. Lounge room. What do you think of these ones here? You can just sit. You can just sit here, dear. These ones, you sit like that to watch your movies. Okay? Yeah. This one too, you can sit there.
Yeah, I think this one.
Yeah. Yeah. What about yellow, Bubba? You need sunglasses for that one, wouldn't you? Hey? That's a yellow room. It's this one here, it's just like a bed. Sofa bed. Oh, it's just there, dear. It's just for the aircon blowing. So... read, you can almost read Bubba when she's singing. This is good, dear. The sofa bed. Like just
Yeah.
you can.
Put that in the lunchroom.
I think that's yeah. They're probably not really comfortable to. Yeah.
Oh, this.
It would be very hard to keep playing Bubba, wouldn't it? Hey, you wouldn't want to go outside, would you? To sit in that one. Dark green. Dark. It looks kind of like the room looks smaller. Doesn't it? Dark. Looks smaller, yeah. So I thought.
The other one is better, right?
Yeah.
It's small, but
Yeah.
white.
It's like a kid's.
This one, this was good, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Nice, dear. Nice. Yeah.
Before,
Shelving unit.
is the
Collection.
same, the one?
Well, I'd say they all be the same. Yeah? Boxes in there.
That's your. It's all
Where's it, dear? I think the same. Pretty fairly similar. Bubba's making fast progress. There's the display cabinets there. Put your display your items in.
Someone broken something.
Have they? Yeah, so fine, dear. The shucks.
Someone broken something. There. When you put something dark,
Yeah, it makes the room look small, doesn't it? Yeah.
if it's all white, you see.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's this? Where the dining table already, Baba? The
Dining table.
table.
All the dining tables. So I need 259, 4 chairs. Some more for outside. Here. Yeah. Yeah, walk off your lunch. Huh? Yeah, you bought one, didn't you? Yeah, you did. You bought one. Yeah. This one here, dear. It's nice. That's nice.
Go inside the house. That's good as well.
It's all organised. You can say, yeah.
Yeah, it's the small one, right? You have a bigger than this, but see, right? You can have. You know what? The table shouldn't be that
big.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all about
the ref should be beside the
Yeah.
Baba.
Yeah. Yep.
This one, right? I don't like the black one.
No, it's kind of looks. Yeah, the colour. Yeah, I know what you're saying. The dark colour. Yeah, you can't see where it's hiding.
Yeah.
Hey? Yeah.
This one is red. This one is okay. Okay, so red, white, and then you
Yeah, it's
put-
not too much dark. And
Yeah, yeah. It's
Yeah.
nice, Bubba.
yeah, it is nice. Yeah.
This is how to stack your things up.
Yeah, I just see there they're organised, so you can see what you've got, and then when you're running low, you just top it up. So you're running low on, granola
Yeah.
or your sultanas and all the good breakfast stuff that we have in Australia normally. So that's definitely. I've got this sort of in a way storage in my pantry where you just top up all what you when you get low for your breakfast cereals.
A small?
Yeah,
I
small.
don't like the light. It doesn't go well,
The light
right?
is, nah,
Doesn't
light doesn't get well. Nah. Walking for lunch, dear. Yeah. This looks pretty good. But the blue, dear. The blue.
Ah, you want the blue?
That looks right, doesn't it?
Okay.
It's okay, but it's the light that sort of, yeah, light. Because it's not on set like this. With the different cabinets there.
Oh, really?
Not no.
We should have something like that. Papa, we should put this one.
Hey? That one there, yeah, that's not bad, yeah. The light, yeah. So, this is definitely different here. Because they don't, the one in Australia hasn't got this one. Not like this. It's not like this. No, it's different, yeah.
When red, that one is like
Yeah,
not so, right?
No.
It gets dark.
yeah,
The white one is nice, I think.
yeah.
No? Why doesn't it?
No,
See? So dark.
these are good, these mirrors, aren't they?
Yeah, this one. You can buy this at Shopee.
Sharpie. Sharpie. That'd be I like this, how you got the drawers underneath the bed. That's cool. Pull these out. In fact, all the majority of the beds have got that. This one's got it too. Pull on drawers. Alright, Bubba. Yes. Yes, here. All under $5 this dear.
Papa, did you change your plate with this one?
Yeah. Yeah, we bought one, didn't we? Yeah.
Because it's more
Yeah.
light,
Yep.
like
Like, yep. No, you got the two plates.
no, I think I need the
Huh? Remember, we're trying to find where to grab a. It's really pretty much. It's very well stocked. Very well stocked, I've got to say. Where's the little lady? Where's the little lady, Bubba? So, dear, watch it. We bought one of them, didn't we? In Australia. Yeah. That's nice. The dark colours, yeah. Good over here. Are these are the pillows. There's sell pillows here as well. Different shaped pillows. Really good. I like it here. Oh, I've got it. So it's good. Singapore heat stress. This is funky. Hey, it says here, Bubba, for studio, editing studio. Or guy's room. Hey? Editing studio, Bubba. Yeah? That's right, Bubba. Exit now. Bubba's done. She had a quick look around. Show me the one in Singapore. Quick look and try to compare. Very similar. Probably might a few different things that might be different.
ice cream. What?
Ice cream?
Uh-huh.
No.
Maybe a
Mate, no, well, it's up to you. We're fairly full. Fairly full. So the Swedish bistro, and you've got Swedish food market. It is slightly different. It's actually better than one in Australia. I think it's a lot better. It's nicer. It's set out nicer than the one in Australia. This one is way better. Yeah, the exit's really interesting. Soya ice cream.
Sour cream?
Yeah, I'd like to see the green apple ice cream.
What does you have this now?
Have a green apple ice cream as well?
I think you want. Eat the bun. I will eat hot dog.
Hot dog, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, we take away later.
No, just have it now, but I'm so sure. Not chilly. This was our look around IKEA, Bubba. That was it.
Yeah, very full, Baba.
Very full. Bubba's very full. Hey? Yeah, Bubba, that's good there. Thanks for taking me to IKEA in Singapore.
Yes.
Okay, Bubba, what's your step? That was it, Bubba. That's IKEA Singapore. We had a look around for the first time here.
This is your first time here in IKEA.
First time in Singapore. Yes. First time at IKEA Singapore. Right, Bubba, let's walk off our lunch and dinner.